Hey, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Yes, we're taking a look at this awesome light by Shop Row. It's a 360 Canon light, doing an unboxing and a test. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to the video. Okay guys, yes, welcome back. Yes, to the 360 light. It's a Canon light, which means all around lighting, which is kind of cool. 360 illumination, ideal for painting and well as large areas. It's got a patented flip design, easy to set up and collapse within 2 seconds. You'll see that in a few minutes. Soft light throughout the whole lampshade. The lampshade is made of like a polycarbonate, nice and sturdy and strong. Won't give any light spots at all when you're using it, which is really important. Has a linkable outlet. What does that mean? Has an outlet built into it, so you can plug an outlet in. So if you need to do something real quickly, you have that access. It's 600 watts, 6 amps, just so you know that. And it's also posable, so it has a tripod, which is kind of cool. Which is really interesting, really nice light. It's sturdy, it's strong. You're gonna see the unboxing. It's really quite a nice deal. 7,500 lumens. You can see that burns 70 watts, and it has 30,000 hour of light bulb life, which is a very, very long time. Okay, guys, let's get into the unboxing. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to the video. Appreciate your time as always. Let's do an unboxing. So here is a little instruction booklet. We'll hold that. Packed pretty well. Let's take this out of the box and let's take a look at it together. Okay, so here we are. So we have the Shop Row Professional. Really, really nicely built. Nice high impact plastic. It's got a nice yellow look to it. It's kind of cool, easy to, this is a flip up light. It's got the tripod. You can see there's a light back here, an outlet. You can plug an additional item in there. You got a nice extension cord there as well, and looks really, really nice quality and heavy duty. Not cheap at all, really nice. Let's open this up and take a look at it and see how it opens. Okay, so this should be pretty easy to open actually, so let's take a look here. Just unwind this wire. Okay, it's got a couple little lags that stick in for the tripod part. Pop these out. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Wow, that is pretty simple. That's ridiculous how easy that is. Now this thing should I think this should just pop right up. Let's take a look at that. That locks into place just like that. This is a latch that locks it in. Here's the light here, you can see. Very, very cool. Wow, that was super easy. That was like amazing. That was amazing. So you got the nice light like that here, so you can get that 360 look all around, which is really kind of cool. And also when you want to just push it down, just push that button back in, close it down. You got more of a directional light here if you just need it, so that's a little bit more controlled. Still got that tripod look here, which is really awesome. Nice job, guys, on this. I really like this design quite a bit. All right, let's plug this in and see how it looks. Okay, guys, plugged it in here, and this is the extra outlet I was telling you about. So it's got that nice outlet right there. Plug anything else in additional if you need to. Here's the switch right here. Let's just plug that in, and there you go. Wow, look at that sucker. That is super awesome. And again, all you have to do is lift it up, just like this here. Lock it into place, just like you see here, and look at this. 360 light, that is awesome. Seriously, guys. This is super nice. Really, really nice. Wow. And you can move it around real easy. You can see here, that tripod, easy to move around, easy to close, just closes it up nice and easy. This folds right down, real simple, and gives you a ton of light. I'm gonna shut off the light in the garage I'm working at. I wanna see how it looks without any other light on. Okay guys, so I'm in the garage and I got the lights totally off. You can see we're in pitch black here. So I'm gonna try to find the switch here. I'm gonna pop the sucker on and see how much light we get. Boom. Wow, that is awesome. Check this out. That gives off a ton of light. You can see, very cool. Lights up the whole garage, you can see that. Really nice. It does a nice job, 7,500 lumens, that's what it says here, luminous. You can see right there, 7,500, 30,000 hours on the bulb. 70 watts it burns roughly, 70 watts looks like, yep. And again, 360, what that means is light all around 360, like you saw here. And if you want to bring it down, hit that little button like I told you. A little button right there. Bring it down, and now you have more of a directional light. So if you're working on some project, you want to just put it right there, and you're good to go. Look at that. That's really cool. All right, I do like this. Again, the brand is called Shop Row. Look at that. Any other questions or any comments, leave down below. I appreciate it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the review. Definitely, I like this one quite a bit. I really do. There we go. Put the light on so you can see. That's it right there. High quality plastic, cool Canon light. Nice job. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the review. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Let me know, leave some comments down below. Also hit that notification bell if you'd like to see some more reviews. I do appreciate that as well. All right, and I'll see you at the next review.